Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Tanzania. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Buy eSim in Tanzania, alright? And link and coupon will be in the description, right? And open this description and click on this link and open this website voyafly.com and click on this. Where are you traveling to? And write Tanzania. Alright, Tanzania data is SIM and click on this. And yes, SIM high speed, 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Yeah, this is good. And price, choose a fixed data plan and click on this. 3 gigabytes in 2 weeks and 1 day. Good, and select amount eSIM 1 and click on add to cart or buy it now and click on buy it now. Discount code, write ROM tips, this name my channel, and click on apply. Order discount $1.40, right? And click on Google Pay or email address and write card number, date, security code, name of card and billing address. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, phone, and click on buy now and buy eSIM and send your email QR code and this scan QR code and open settings and install eSIM your phone. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.